Lia wapi kwa hii tingatinga? Oh, sasa watu wa munainama. Wow, they're amazing. Gone everywhere. Toto? Huku nionyesha vile inafanya. So it's dark. This is the engine. It's done manually, it's not automatic. And you put some maize corn right here. I don't know how to show you. It's dark. And then it goes in here. And then it's grinded in here. It's grinded, and it becomes corn flour. Let me show. Oh, daughter. This is the engine, guys. Oh, you see, we have even sugarcane in our compound, guys. Yeah, you see, this is sugarcane. Sugarcane. Yeah? Where you come and cut it and eat. Yeah? Color green everywhere. Yeah? Don't tell me that you don't know. You see, the one you buy here, they don't buy. They plant it, and you can see this one was the potato leaves. Yeah, the sugarcane is right here. You see it? If I want to eat it, they will cut for me. Simunikatie miwa. Sasa unga huu kuleta nionyeshe watu. So guys, I've shown you. Let me just rest and enjoy my home, being in the village. I will talk to you later, okay? Bye-bye.